wow. That one right there is huge. This has got to be a record breaker.
Hail protection.
Like, it's completely covered like snow. Look at that. Whoops. Look at
Cold
the camera.
stuff too.
Cold stuff.
We get the shovel in here, we shovel all the ice out.
Oh my god. Oh, ow.
It hurts when you get hit.